The ancient town of Igan Okoto in Yewa North local government area of Ogun State came alive for the 28th coronation anniversary at Dokun of Igan Okoto, Oba Mukaila Akanbi Salako. Dignitaries and traditional rulers, including Olu of Ilaro and the paramount ruler of Yewa land, Bobakeye Olugbenle, graced the occasion, adorned in resplendent attire befitting the grandeur of the occasion. Among them stood a staff of Radio Nigeria, Paramount FM Abeokuta, Idowu Rotimi, an esteemed broadcaster and the chairman of RATTAWU in Ogun State, who is also the Bobakeye of Shawanjo land, was decorated as Bobakeye of Igan Okoto land. The Adokun of Igan Okoto land, Oba Mukaila Akanbi Salako, extolled the virtues of the new Bobakeye of Igan Okoto and enjoined him and other chiefs to work in harmony for the development of the land.
Idowu is my town's boy. His mother and grandmother is from my town, and he's do beautiful things. He do things according to.
Present at the reception to celebrate an achiever were independent broadcasters, staff of Paramount FM, family members, friends, colleagues, and well-wishers. Their celebrants described their chieftaincy titles as call to service, promise to work for their town.
A single tree cannot make a forest. We are going to work together as chiefs with His Royal Highness Oba Mukaila Salako to lift the town of Igan Okoto to an enviable position. Most especially in terms of road, our road is bad from Ayetoro to Igan Okoto to Shawanjo. We have been complaining over it times without number.
I will support him morally, physically, spiritually, and I pray Almighty God will be with him.
Chief Idowu Rotimi Akitade, the Bobakeye of Igan Okoto, Bobakeye of Shawanjo, and incumbent chairman RATTAWU Ogun State, is happily married and blessed with children.